We're just open. We're doing a bunch of bull. I'm not even gonna lie, we're doing a bunch of bull. Wow. Yo. Let's say we're rejecting off this 1 hour. Wait, shit, fuck him. Wait, what? Never actually looked at a higher time frame on ES. We're dumping. Back at it. Let's see. Jason, crazy crack at it. No, it crashed it. How many points do we move since Asia? 342. This is devious. I'm waiting for structure to form, bro. This week has just been absolutely atrocious. I mean, I did catch one dub this week, and that's all that really matters to me. So, like, if the rest of the week is ass, like, I don't need to trade. Like, I used to force trades every damn day. When you learn your lesson, you stop forcing trades, and you just observe the market, then a lot of the times you would have forced some shit at 9:30, 9:45, 10 o'clock, and then 10:30 rolls around, and there's a setup that just trumps all the bull that was there before. And then you get to take setups more often, but not actually lose. Not be losing all the time. At least that's what I feel, because previous weeks I've been forcing too many setups. So now I'm being patient, and I'm just waiting for what I want to see. Either what I want to see, or something that is good. Something that is great. I don't know. It's a nice market open displacement, but like we didn't do anything special for me to be taking a market open trade. I reckon you do. You're printing beautiful bearish structure. Just look at this, man. One day we'll be able to sweep all this liquidity. Bro, this is beautiful. What the hell? Look how all these highs are intact. It's just so pretty, bro. London high, boom. Asia high, just right above it, bro. Great distance. New York PM, Asia high, New York PM, New York AM. Just leaving those highs right there for me to take one day. It's like prominent low resistance on the 4-hour. Yeah. But I believe on the higher time frame, like the market is on its way down for the next few weeks. Maybe even a couple months. Like, look at the structure. Once it breaks past these lows, we're gonna rebalance some of this move. I don't think we're gonna hit the 50%, but exactly what my mentor was saying as well. Anyways, yeah, this PA's dog. I didn't even want to record today, but I did set out to do that as a task. So that's the only reason why I'm recording. Keep it a band. Because I don't really believe in this market. I wonder if anybody caught this. Like, an entry off of this kind of closure would be insanity if you're really convicted. But like, I wonder if anybody caught like a mid candle here. For anybody who's crazy enough to take the candle closure. That's wild. So we got a big 5 right here. Rejecting off of 15. Holy bro, this is a rejection block. See what happens. Tap into the 5-minute fair value gap. Can we get a clean rejection? Can we get? So this is accumulation. This is manipulation right here. Let's see if we get something. Oh no, bro. Rejecting already. I don't like this. This is still choppy. Sitting out. If this displaces, bro, I'm sitting out. I want to clean like an arc V-shaped recovery. Boom. Yeah, here we go. ES is in 5 minutes as well. Overall, we are bearish. I'm actually more open to trading than I thought, I guess. Didn't want to trade going into this day. Just because I don't have a lot of risk. But let's see what we get. We just gonna edge the midpoint like that by a tick. Wait, yo, I'm on the NASDAQ. I'm actually tweaking. The gap is in a whole different place, bro. This is wild. Oh, no, it's good. Bro, I was on the DAC. Yeah, I might be really special. Not gonna lie, bro. Would have over leveraged. Anyways, on the actual DAC, we did edge the midpoint, but I don't really care about that. ES tapped the midpoint. Yeah, there we go. Come on. There we go. Bruh, what in the what? What are we doing? I don't expect us to break this high. This is like a nice structural high in the downtrend. No blood. What are we doing? We're dead about to inverse this gap. Ooh. I'm waiting for closers. Yo, chill. I did get an early entry. Do I hold it? Do I hold? Do I hold? Or do I take profit here? Honestly, I'm just going to take my profits because my account is in drawdown right now. So I don't want to get greedy and move my TP. It's like if I have this profit secured, like why should I be greedy? Honestly, I'm not going to get greedy until I get this payout. So what is this 1 to 1.6 R? This is beautiful, bro. Beautiful trade right here. I do think it's just gonna break past this low and go straight down to W content, bro. Blessed. If this shit flies back up, I mean, I guess I deserve it, but who cares, bro? It's not a loss, it's a win, for real, for real. We could tap into this big ass gap that we just made and reject off of it, so. W shorts, this was a more difficult one to spot, I would say, because I don't know, the market's just moving weird, man. There's no high probability draws, but this internal, just beautiful bearish structure, man. Look at that. We're just leaving the highs right there, bro. Just leaving the highs, man. I'm gonna clip farm this shit, not gonna lie, bro. Alright, we're about to hit TP. Bro. Yo, stop edging me, bro. Tag me out. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, sir, boy. Alright, let's get that shit out of there. Alright, we're done for the day. Fuck that. Fuck that. That's $400 on that day. Now, could I have held it to here? Yes, bro. I could have held it to there and possibly made $800 instead. But do I want to be greedy? No, I have one trade left in the account. That trade I just took was literally all the risk that I had left. Because I've been trading like a dumbass there were just terrible conditions recently, and it's not even the conditions, it's my fault. But you know, I'm back on a winning cycle. And I'm done taking dumbass trades, bro. Wait, let me go back. I accidentally just started like deleting shit. I needed to screenshot the trade. All right. For some reason, the candles just disappeared, so I'm gonna restart my trading view. Damn, bro. I could have held the trade, man. I could have held the trade, man. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Anyways, I don't remember. I'm gonna screenshot every time frame real quick, and then I'm gonna explain to you guys why I took this, why I believe that it was a good setup, my reflections, my journaling, live for y'all. So this, I might give y'all a peek into my journal to just show y'all like the growth of a trader and how beneficial that is. So you see I'm taking all these screenshots. I take screenshots, I give myself all the context. Feel me? Give myself all the context. All the time frames that I think were important and that I use, I screenshot them. And if you're only screenshotting like 2 time frames, then it's guaranteed to be a bad trade. I'm not gonna hold you, bro. But yeah, I try to keep it to around like 3 to 5 screenshots maybe. Like if you're just screenshotting 1 minute price action, then the trade was probably ass. Could have held that. Could have held that shit. Could have held that shit. What can we do though? I'm gonna type this in my journal later, so I'm basically gonna tell y'all my thesis on this trade. So, high time frame is super bearish, right? The daily, just it's all bearish, and so when it's bearish, you're looking for moves down, taking out liquidity, retraces, moves down, taking out liquidity, and so basically, I think earlier this week I took a long, and I posted it. I've uploaded it. That long was probably somewhere like in this Tuesday. It was probably Tuesday. And it was because, well, I guess we were in a bullish trend at this point. But, you know, I wasn't looking for longs. I was looking for shorts because we've already made the retrace. We've already mitigated this hourly gap. We came into it. You know, we did our move down, our move up, and I was looking for the move back down because we were respecting all these highs. Look at all these highs that we did not take out. We were just respecting it. Coming near it, respecting. Coming out, respecting. Making lower structure, lower lows, lower highs. And go down to the 5 minute, I see the pre-market is moving up. And I thought it was trash because, you know, I wanted to play with the trend. And so I was like, yeah, if we just go up to London high, I'm not trading to London high at all. But then we started to stall right here, and I peeped. We were in a 1 hour gap. We're in this 1 hour gap. And so I'm just looking right here. Market opens lower. Boom. Straight displacement pushing lower, lower, lower. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I'm like, okay, we're stalling here. I'm not taking a trade here. This is stupid, right? You're taking a trade here, putting your stop. You got stopped out. Putting your stop wherever you got stopped out. Wait for a good retrace. There's probably another opportunity right here if we get the good retrace and then boom, displacement down. Probably another opportunity, bro. For y'all, I'm gonna upload this I'm gonna do my explanation and upload this in a minute, and y'all are gonna be like, okay, I could take this setup right here. Anyways, look at the 5 minute. We created a 5 minute gap. I mean, I did this all live in front of you guys. We created a 5 minute gap. We came up, tapped the midpoint. I saw we were rejecting right here. This is kind of chopped. I wanted a smooth V-shaped recovery because, you know, the market just, there wasn't any like crazy prominent super strong drawn liquidities aside from this one all the way down here, but it's a drag because it's 250 points away at this point. So I targeted the internal, right? So we came up, tapped the 5 minute midpoint perfectly, got a beautiful displacement down. I waited for the candle closure because this shit could have dead ass like did this and then wicked up right here and then closed like really small. Like imagine a candle like closed like with half or a quarter of the size. That's happened to me before. So I waited for the closure, even though I felt like entering right here, you know, risking a lot less, making more points. But I was patient. I waited for the candle closure just because it wasn't the strongest of days. I'm only playing with the market narrative, and really that's it. Like the draw, we have a strong narrative for bearishness, but we don't have like a super strong data low, a crazy strong low, like a session low, previous day low, because we just had taken out previous day low too. That's another factor that I kept in mind, right? That's why I also didn't really want to look for shorts. But once we got this entry, also y'all saw that I marked out this SMT with New York AM high. ES came up and took out New York AM high and made a new one. And Q over here did not. So the SMT paired with the 5 minute gap, paired with this beautiful displacement, paired with the bearish narrative, that's what made me take this trade. It was beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And it stalled for like a couple minutes. That kind of scared me. I low-key thought like, wow, I might get stopped out. But boom, once we got this diddy displacement to the downside, I knew this shit was gonna bang, bro. So I was like, yes. And so now I have Now I have a lot more risk inside my account to play with. And so we're going to be hitting some bangers from now on. If I was able to take this with my full $400 risk, then we'd have made like $700 on this trade. But we made $400. But now I have enough to actually risk my max risk. So, this was a beautiful day. I hope y'all did not get cooked today. I hope y'all had a clear day. This is my explanation. And I'm not, like I said, I always preface this. I haven't got a payout yet. I'm in a break-even phase. I am, you know, like, take what I say, everything that I say with a grain of salt. I'm just here to document my journey. I'm not here to tell y'all what to do. I'm not here to direct y'all. But if I get a dub, I'm gonna explain why. I'm gonna give y'all my, little 2 cents on it. And this is exactly why I took this trade. And bro, this was a fucking banger, bro. That's how, bro. This how you know when you get Diddy displacement in your direction after you enter, bro. That's how you know, bro. Beautiful narrative, beautiful trade. And so, yeah, that's it for me. I'm gonna end the recording here, and I can't wait to upload this on TikTok and LARP crazy. I'm gonna LARP. Yes, sir, boy.